Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with a little mini Dollar Tree haul. As you guys know, Dollar Tree is now $1.25, so they do have some new items in. They don't have too many dollar items left. I heard they were supposed to still have dollar items, but I didn't come across any, so each of the items are now $1.25, but they do have some nice goodies in. So what I picked up, I'm going to start with these two items. You guys know I always grab my Bolero Beverly Hills Cleanse Plus Hydrate Facial Wipes infused with Marcosia oil. I don't know if I'm saying that right. But it's a 32 count, and I love these. You can use these to clean your face before you do your facials, after you work out, all that good stuff. So these are great, and they always have different, I guess you can call it, scents or what they're infused with. They don't break me out. They work really good, and they're big. They're not very small sheets. They're nice full-size sheets. And I also picked up some of these hot cold iPads, and I thought these were so cute. They're little stars with little holographic stars inside, and what I like about it is you can use them hot or cold, so you can put them in the refrigerator or the freezer, or you can warm them up to use them warm. And they're by Be Pure. It helps relieve puffy eyes, and they're reusable. So I got some of those, and they have different ones like donuts, cucumbers. If you guys follow me on TikTok, I put a video up there. I'll try to put it on my YouTube short so you guys can see what I showed in the beauty aisle. And then let's see, I'll do some over here. So I also picked up this Cherry Blossoms Room Mist. It's fragrance for uplifting vitality. It's 2 fluid ounces. This is something new. I haven't seen these in there before, but they're just a nice little size room spray that you can put in your bedroom, your living room, your bathroom, and stuff like that. So I picked Cherry Blossom, and quite a bit of these were gone, so people are picking these up. So I figured maybe it's good since they're all almost gone, so I thought I'd pick one up and give it a try. I also came across this Tom's, y'all know Tom's is a good name brand, and for $1.25 for Tom's, I'll definitely pay that. It's a pump. It is the natural prebiotic moisturizing hand soap, and it is in fresh apple scent, and it is 12 fluid ounces. So I thought this was a really good find. I also found this soft soap, Gently Coconut, and it is the soft soap liquid hand soap refill. It's hypoallergenic for sensitive skin, and the best part about it is it's plant-based. It says with plant-based cleansing ingredients and real coconut oil, paraben-free, vegan and dye-free, so that's always a good thing. And it's huge. It's a very big bottle of it. It's 32 fluid ounces, so it's really big. They have this coconut, and they also have lavender. I came across this thing. It's called Access Grip. It's a phone, ring, and desk stand. It says magnetic mount capable, which if you have a magnet on like your little carbon thingy, you can use this with that. It says the grip that does it all, and you see in the picture here, it stands up, and you can put it this way, and you can also hold your phone with it. This is what the back looks like. It says the only grip you need, multi-angle desk stand, peel and stick, strong adhesives, compatible with all smartphones. And I thought this was a good find. It actually reminds me of something that may be like at Five Below or something like that, or Walmart. So that was something new that I spotted. They also had camera cases there too, y'all. If I still have the picture, I'll throw it in and put it right here, because they had some really nice camera cases I was surprised to see. And I looked them up, and the camera cases were regular $10 to $18. So All right, I also got some cases that I want to use to put some of my nail items in. All right, so the first case I got, I thought this was cute, and when I opened it, I thought it was just going to be, you know, this size. It's something that I can put my my nail art brushes and like dotting tools and stuff like that in. So when I opened it, it was like this. I was like, wow, I was not expecting to see it had a little shelf in it. So you can put stuff here and down here and close it up. So I thought this was so cute. This was a really good find. That's what the bottom of it looks like. Really cute. So I can't wait to fill this up with some of my nail goodies. And then I also picked this up to put like I'm gonna put some of my nail stamping items in here, and it has a little clip, so you just pull it back, open it up, and it's just a nice flat surface that I want to store some things in. So I thought this was nice. Easy peel off label. I don't want to mess my polish. Oh, I already did. Look. That's why I say do not use your nails as tools. I have to remember that. And then this container I love. I could not believe they had these. I would have got more, but they only had 2, and one of them was broke. So I picked up this one. It's so nice. I'm definitely going to put some nail items in here. I don't know if I'm going to put polish or, you know, something like that. I was thinking of putting like all my gel stuff in here maybe. But it has these nice sturdy clips on the side. Like, these are really nice and sturdy. It's like, you see, I have to use some effort to get it open. It has a handle, and it's nice and deep, so I can fit quite a bit in there. Put the lid on, clip it, and then I can carry it with me to go or whatever I want to do. So I'm hoping I come across some more of these. I can use a couple of these for a few of my different items. That is just a little small haul of what I picked up at $1.25 tree, should we call it? Yeah, so just a little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys are going to run a Dollar Tree to go find some of these items. Make sure to comment below. Make sure to subscribe if you are new, and please give this video a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.